A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywar network of radio operators. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for San Diego County Desert today. Mostly sunny. Highs 101 to 106.
This is the weekly test for October 7th, 2020, issued at 11:13 a.m. That's 2020.